Hey, it's Barney, Willard Bay Gardens, in January. So why am I sending you this in January? Because it's a time to be thinking about your gardens and what you're going to do this next season. We have all kinds of things coming to Willard Bay Gardens in the next 3 months for us to pot up and plant and get ready for you and your gardens this spring. But you're not always sure what you want to be doing, what you want to be planting, what perennials, what annuals, what herbs, what tomatoes and peppers you're going to do. So now's the time to be thinking about that. Find good catalogs, good gardening magazines, internet, Googling. All of those kinds of things will help you with ideas. And you can always call us. We'll be answering the phones periodically in February, seriously in March, so you're welcome to give us a call. Seeds will probably be in mid-February, early March, so you can come in and get your seeds that you'd like to get started. So lots of things to think about for gardening 2018. Thanks. See ya.